going on, guys? Bradley Martyn here. Today I'm going to show you guys a really simple way to make some amazing chicken. It's easy, it's tasty, and it is peach glazed grilled chicken. So you only need a few different ingredients here, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so as you can see, the chicken is a little bit thinner than most breasts, and what I did was I grabbed the breast and I filleted it in half. So I did it prior to putting it on camera, and I just wanted to show you guys that it's a little bit thinner, so the pieces came out thin, right? Alright guys, so first step, what you need to do is you need to get a tablespoon of the vinegar and the peach glaze. Treat you like a little extra. Alright guys, step two, you're going to use a little bit of pepper, and I like to use two different peppers, a black pepper and a white pepper, and a little bit of sea salt. So you get a little bit on each one. Yeah. Oh, a little bit too much on one spot. Make sure you guys wash your hands after touching the chicken. You don't want to touch anything else. Alright guys, so let's set the chicken aside and chop up some of the zucchini and yam. Get all that little extra, that extra seasoning. No seasoning left behind. La 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 la. I'm just kidding. Don't sing like that when you're cooking chicken. You'll scare everyone who's with you away. Don't do it. Alright, so we're going to cut each slice, try and get like about half an inch. You don't have to get it exactly right. I like half an inch because it cooks better. Uh-oh, man down. Make sure, guys, when you're cutting, keep those fingers away from that blade. You kind of point your, you can kind of point your, whatever. Okay. All right, guys, so a really cool tip to cooking potatoes or yams. You want to wrap it in a little bit of paper. And what you're going to do, you're going to wrap it up tight. And you're going to get it a little bit wet. A lot of it wet, actually. And make sure you get the whole thing. Put it in a bowl or on a plate. And a potato this size, you're probably going to put it in there for about 5 minutes. So it's like the size of my hand, this thing here. Try it. And we wait. All right, guys, the potatoes are done. We're going to get them out. So, as you can see, it's a little warm, a little bit softer. So same thing as the zucchinis, we're going to cut it about a half an inch. And you guys might want to take a little bit more time as you let it out of the microwave because it actually is pretty hot. It's kind of burning my hands right here. Ugh. Okay. All right, guys, so we're gonna transfer everything over here so that we can start grilling. I got 2 separate pans, one for the meat and one for the vegetables. The cool thing about this, guys, is you can put them both in at the same time or relatively close to the same time. And it'll come out together. Okay, so let's get the chicken in there. I'll use a little bit of olive oil. So that you can lay the chicken evenly across. Okay. And the same thing with the coconut oil. Okay. So, some a little bit of salt in there. Make sure you spill as much salt on the stove as much as possible. Spill as much as possible, okay? So you have to clean it up later. That's a really good idea. Okay, a little bit of pepper on there. So you make sure that pan's already hot. That's important, guys. Alright guys, so I cooked it for about 4 minutes before I'm going to flip it, so. Alright guys, so you can add like your favorite oil, really simply here, so I don't spill the entire thing. I like this little garlic and Parmesan oil. Oh, just too much. So that's what happens when you put too much on there, but it'll be okay because I'll get it through there. Alright guys, and a little secret. This is, can you see this? Can you see that there? Can't even focus on this? Can they focus on it? Can they see it? Time. That took forever to get in focus. And you're going to take a little bit of this. Someone really special taught me this. Alright guys, so the final couple seconds for the chicken, that's when the glaze comes in that you guys prepared earlier. So we'll dump this on here. Voila! Alright guys, so everything now we got on a plate, so I want you guys to come check this out, see what we got. Alright guys, so I hope that was helpful. If you guys want to see more meal prep videos, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment in the bottom section below if you guys want anything in particular, any sort of dishes made, anything you like, or if you want beef or if you want stuff with fish. Let me know. Let's eat better together. I'll see you guys soon.